This symbol on this hat represents amazing powers. The power to lift 242,000 pounds. The power to fly at 600 miles an hour. The power to span the globe. The power of teamwork. This lumberjack is the hallmark of The Incredibles, a team of 50,000 men and women who made the Queen of the Skies reality. As the jet age boomed in the 1960s, bigger, farther, and faster were goals for aircraft builders to meet growing customer needs. While Boeing and Douglas had stretched and enhanced their flagship planes, Boeing Chairman Bill Allen decided to build something bigger, much, much bigger. The result of looking at several design options was the 747 with its unique upper deck hump. But to turn the design into a plane, Allen turned to the team's 747 program manager Malcolm Stamper would dub The Incredibles. Starting in September 1967, working from 75,000 drawings in the world's largest building, it took just 16 months to have the 747 ready for its first flight. That came on February 9th, 1969. To celebrate their achievement, the team presented Allen with the hat that sits proudly in Boeing's archives. What has followed first flight is nearly 5 decades of ever more capable 747s, possibly the most recognizable plane on Earth, and today's 747-8. And it's all thanks to those superheroes of Boeing, The Incredibles.